Hey, it's KOWTI. If you are thinking about getting yourself an Apple Watch, I highly recommend the Series 8. I have it here in the midnight aluminum case, and I just love my Apple Watch so much. It is my faithful companion every day. And this is not the first Apple Watch I have had, and I have to say that I am just as happy with this as I was having a previous Apple Watch. But of course, being the Series 8, it has some upgrades which are pretty cool. But first of all, I really love that midnight aluminum case. It is such a unique color to me. It looks really classy and elegant. And of course, you can switch out the bands and customize it to your liking. But I just think that the way that it looks as it comes is really beautiful. Something I really love is the always on display. So you can see it kind of fades into the background when I rest my hand, but then when I lift my wrist, it lights up so that I can take a look at the screen, see the time, and whatever other information I have on there. It has all of the features that you might already love about an Apple Watch. So you're able to, of course, track your workouts and your sleep. And it has some fun prompts that you can customize depending on what you need for mindfulness, prompts to help you to get moving throughout the day. It even has a blood oxygen tracker. Battery lasts me about a full day, which I appreciate because I am able to use it the whole day and then it charges very quickly. And I am super, super happy with my Apple Watch 8 series. I think that you will love it too, but that's just my point of view.